One of the things that you might want to do is personalize your PC by giving it a name so that if your computer is actually connected onto a network, then someone else might easily be able to recognize it. So actually change the computer name, you can go on to the start menu, you can right click on it and then go to settings right over here. So once you go into settings, you can go to system, and then from system, you can go into about. So once you go into about, you can see your computer name right over here. Right now, it's a generic name just like this. So what you want to do is you want to provide a much more specific name, which is actually more familiar. So you can rename, click on rename this PC, and you can rename this out as you can see. So you have to be logged into your administrator account to do this. So you can rename to something like tutor tube right over here, press next, and it will be renamed right over here. So you can use a combination of letters, hyphens, and numbers as well, as you can see. And now it is actually processing. It's actually normal. So it is renaming the PC. So whenever your PC is actually accessed on a network or something, and now you can see that it says that you have to restart your PC in order for the change to take place. So I'm not going to restart now, so I'm going to restart later. And you can see that now my device name has been changed to TutorTube after restart. So I can restart it out and the name will be changed. Another way to change the PC name is to actually go into start menu right here. I'm just going to type in this PC. So this PC actually comes up. I can go into right click, or I can go over here into properties right over there. And from here, you can actually go over here, click on change settings. And here you can change the name as well. Just like that. So that's the computer description. So full computer name is TutorTube, as you can see, which I actually changed. So after I restart that out, I can rename that out. And even from here, you can change it out into TutorTube, as you can see. And you can change the workgroup group section as well. So if your network has a specific name, you can change the network name as well. But usually I suggest that you keep it in default so that you don't have to work around with advanced network configurations, especially if you're new to computer networking. So computer name is TutorTube, as you can see, and you can simply press OK. And since I already changed it out in the other setting, you don't have the option here anymore. So you just have to press OK and the computer name will be changed. So it says here changes will take place after you restart your computer. So I'm going to press OK, and once I restart the computer, the name will be changed. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.